Welcome back to my channel, Jeep Junkies. It's always fun to do do-it-yourself work, and when you're doing do-it-yourself work, sometimes you realize that it's something you've never done before. You don't have confidence, at least for me. Sometimes it's just a little bit beyond what I have done before, and I look for help. Before I go into those details though, I just want to ask you to subscribe to my channel, like the video if you end up liking it, and any comments or questions, feel free to submit them below. But anyway, the starter on this Wrangler was a real piece of work. It wasn't working very well, but only held in place with one bolt instead of two. The other bolt has completely rounded off, as you'll see. And dealing with that is something that I tried to do and I couldn't get it. The other issue with this Jeep is that the side steps that were installed on it, I don't know how long ago, completely rusted through, need to come off, but the bolts were rusted on such terrible shape that I couldn't get them off. I don't have the equipment to take care of that. So I took the Jeep down to the Jeep Slop Shop here in Southeast Texas, in Kemah, Texas. They took care of it for me, and this video is going to show you a little bit of the work that they did. They also helped me with pinion seals, both differentials, and ended up needing to replace the yokes in both differentials as well. So hats off to them, I appreciate it, and it's just going to be a quick overview of the work I had somebody else do for me because I'm still learning on how all this stuff works. Enjoy. So I'm just going to show you what I'm dealing with. So this is the back side of the starter and all of the rust on the nuts up there that I need to take off. What's also interesting is that there's, if I can get it to you here, there's supposed to be two bolts with we need an E12 Torx to remove. You can see that one bolt is missing and the other bolt is so rusted that I'm afraid that I'm not going to be able to get it out. So thanks again to the Christian and the folks out at Jeep Slop Shop in Kemah, Texas for taking care of the Wrangler for me. Just a couple more projects I needed to get done that are now off the list. So we're going to continue to work on this thing, get it in really good shape, and continue to bring you along. If you want to keep watching as the adventure continues, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And of course, any comments you have on this video or any others, happy to take them, and I'll try to answer any questions you might have. And liking the video, of course, if you do. Look forward to sharing the next part of the adventure with you. Have a good one.